Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So choosing how to accept payments for your software or digital products comes down to a single question. Do you want to handle global sales tax yourself? Or do you want a platform that does it for you? For many software companies and digital creators, payment processing is not just about collecting money. You also need to think about subscriptions, refunds, invoices, compliance, and tax rules in different countries. This choice splits our three contenders into two completely different categories. Stripe Checkout is a standard payment processor, while Paddle and Lemon Squeezy act as a merchant of record. A merchant of record means the platform becomes the legal seller of your product. Instead of you handling every tax obligation in every location, the platform manages those responsibilities on your behalf. If you choose Stripe Checkout, you get the lowest transaction fees, usually starting around 2.9% plus 30 cents. It's highly customizable, developer-friendly, and gives you total control over the customer experience. This makes Stripe a popular choice for startups and companies that want complete flexibility. You can design your own checkout flow, connect it with your existing systems, and build a payment experience that matches your brand. But there is a massive catch. Because Stripe only processes the money, you are entirely responsible for legal tax compliance. If a customer buys your software in Europe, Asia, or any US state, you have to track local tax laws, register for VAT or sales tax, and file those tax returns yourself. For a small business selling in one location, this may not be a big issue. But once you start getting customers from multiple countries, tax compliance can become complicated very quickly. Different regions have different rules for digital products, subscription services, invoices, and reporting requirements. Managing all of this manually can take valuable time away from building your product. If you don't want that administrative headache, you look at Paddle or Lemon Squeezy. Both platforms act as the official seller of your product, meaning they take on 100% of the legal tax liability, calculate, collect, and pay global taxes automatically. This can be a major advantage for solo founders and small teams that want to sell internationally without hiring accountants or spending hours researching tax regulations. Paddle charges a base fee of 5% plus 50 cents. It's a veteran platform built with a strong focus on business-to-business software. It easily handles custom enterprise contracts, complex subscription adjustments, and wire transfers. This makes Paddle a strong option for SaaS companies selling to other businesses. If your customers include larger companies with specific billing requirements, Paddle provides tools that support more complex payment situations. Lemon Squeezy charges the same base fee of 5% plus 50 cents. However, it was specifically built for individual creators and independent software developers. The user interface is incredibly modern, and it comes out of the box with built-in tools for generating software license keys, setting up an affiliate network, and managing simple email marketing campaigns. This makes Lemon Squeezy attractive for indie developers launching apps, plugins, templates, or digital products. Instead of connecting multiple services, creators can manage sales, licensing, and basic marketing features from one platform. So which one should you choose? If you already have a tax account or only sell locally, Stripe Checkout will save you money on fees. It is the best choice when you need maximum customization and you are comfortable managing compliance yourself. But if you sell globally and want zero tax stress, choose Paddle if you sell to businesses, or Lemon Squeezy if you sell to consumers. Paddle is better suited for established SaaS companies and B2B products, while Lemon Squeezy is a great fit for independent creators and smaller software businesses. The right payment platform depends on your business model, your customers, and how much control you want over managing taxes and operations. If you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share.